Alright guys, welcome on board. We're going to grab some ATIS right now. And head our way up to Sedona. Let's turn on the air conditioning. Luke, what you think?
That feels a lot better. Okay. There you go, it's getting hot out already.
There you go, there you go.
Time 1510, wind variable at 5, temperature 17, dew point 4, altimeter 3007. Visual approach, runway 21 in use. NOTAMs, use caution for cranes in the vicinity of the airport out of below 300 feet AGL. 5G NOTAMs in effect for Scottsdale Airport. For further information, contact flight service frequency. Hazardous weather information for Arizona, Vagal flight service frequency. Advise on his contact you have Zulu.
Alright, we got Zulu.
Alright, we'll follow the legacy as soon as he comes out. Alpha 15 at 21 via Alpha 0.
Alright, if we taxi during the ramp, we actually don't need to talk to anybody. But we have to see if anybody's blocking. Nobody blocking! We're having a little bit of database error in the Cirrus, so if anybody has a little bit of knowledge in the Garmin database, Garmin, let us know what we're doing wrong.
Scottsdale ground, Cherokee 518.
Specifically what I'm doing. Alright, here is the run-up area. We'll do a run-up. Let's see, 1, 2, 3.
Scottsdale ground, Cirrus, November.
How long are we going to sit here for?
Mike at
ground first.
Oh, we have to let them know. See, look. A good FO.
There we go, I'm right here.
Saves the captain
here.
Every time. Ground Cirrus 51 Foxtrot Mike. We're in the run-up pad. Run-up complete.
Cirrus 51 Fox Mike. Scottsdale ground runway 21 full length taxi Alpha.
21 full length taxi Alpha 1 Foxtrot Mike. All right, we're just going to snuggle our way in. All right, right there. Different procedures, different places, and there's a new run-up pad here at Scottsdale, which I am actually pretty new at. So, do we have to let them know that we're ready?
Yep. Takeoff, northbound approved.
Clear for takeoff.
Luke is, although he doesn't have the CFI, he is like a CFI. Hello Towers, Cirrus 51 Foxtrot Mike, holding short, runway 21 for northbound departure.
Cirrus 51 Foxtrot Mike, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 21 full length.
Hold short, 21 full length, Cirrus 1 Foxtrot Mike. This is the one gripe I have about Scottsdale. Although I love being in Scottsdale, it's fun. It's, you know, you see private jets all over the place, but you know, it's 12 minutes now, and we've been waiting, and we're probably going to wait. Let's see, there's 2 more private jets. 3. Oh, we might be waiting a while. And that's a little.
How quick can you get off the ground in Deer Valley?
So from the north hangars. As soon as I'm run up complete, I can pretty much go. You know, I let them know, we can taxi up. Unless there's people in the pattern, I would say no more than 5 minutes.
It's not bad.
Yeah. And that's going to be good for our new hangar complex to the south. We're going to be able, there's 2 runways, so we're going to be able to get airplanes off fairly quickly.
Looks especially in a jet, that's got to be some huge fuel savings. You know, these guys sitting here, burning fuels is not a very cheap endeavor.
No, you said it's not a cheap sport.
No, not a cheap sport.
So that's another benefit is at being at Deer Valley, especially with the new complex. It's going to be beautiful, but you're not going to wait forever. And honestly, it's not even rush hour here in Scottsdale.
Oh, yeah, this is...
Cirrus 51 Foxtrot Mike, runway 21 full line, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 51 Foxtrot line, runway 21. All right, clear for takeoff, this is runway 21 finals. Got somebody on 2 mile finals, so we won't delay.
Thank you, Aviator 16.
So we got that jet taken off, so wake turbulence. We'll try to fly, make the turn prior to that guy. So. You ready to go, Luke?
Ready to go.
All right, man, let's do this.
Cessna 4 Lima Alpha, thank you. Frequency change approved. Good morning.
Frequency change approved, 31 for Lima Alpha.
November 0 Golf November, right turn heading 300, contact you with departure.
Heading right to 300, over departure, 0 Golf November, yeah.
Aviator 690, can right base runway 21 continue, traffic by hold in position of citation.
Base continue, we'll wait for that traffic, Aviator 690.
And 1 Foxtrot Mike, request early turn.
And 1 Foxtrot Mike, approved as requested.
1 Foxtrot Mike, thanks. Here we go!
New hangar's going up quick.
Yeah, I know. Alright, because I am a true airline pilot.
Positive rate, autopilot.
That's right.
Flying up to 15th,
Alright. Nav. Flight level change.
Right Alpha 11, taxi
autopilot on.
Easy as that. Easy as that.
Kilo amount of ground, either 17.
This airplane is really awesome with the autopilot. I mean, and the autopilots have been getting a lot better in GA aircraft. I mean, you got a yaw damper, you've got it's seriously like flying a jet.
What would you say is different about this autopilot compared to a 737 autopilot?
We've taken 2-1, 3 Mike.
You know, other than the auto throttles, not a whole lot. It's pretty similar. I mean, as far as execution goes. Having, you know, obviously in a piston airplane with yaw and all that stuff, having the yaw damper, it's great.
Yeah.
In the jet, you need a yaw damper, especially at the higher altitudes, but I mean, it flies the same, honestly. The only thing you have to manipulate is the throttle. So whenever our autopilot or our auto throttles are off, and you have to fly it, you know, keep your own auto throttles, it's almost the same.
Drive 85 in your right turn, contact Phoenix departure, good day.
So what is the objective up there? Is it like just a hangout? Is it
Well, Bold Method is putting on this mountain flying course, and Ken Goebel from Cirrus kind of put this all together where it's going to be a fly-in.
Okay.
And Bold Method is going to be is going to provide a mountain flying course. So kind of cool.
Kind of like a ground session type thing?
Yeah,
cool.
I think so a way for a lot of Cirrus owners to get together and see each other and learn something.
Yeah.
And also go to a cool place like Sedona.
Not a bad spot to go to.
Not a bad spot. I feel bad because it's my go-to spot and it's only like 30 minutes up the road in the Cirrus. But, you know, it's what a lot of people want to go to, right?
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful spot, and it just so happens it's 30 minutes up the road.
Sure.
So turn that off. The air conditioning, like it's
46
degrees outside.
46.
So we don't need the AC on. So we'll just use the outside air.
Now, 2 months from now, we're really going to need that AC on.
Man. Yeah, I remember those days, flight instructing, like, having that window open.
Yeah.
Doing
hanging out the window.
You're doing this the whole time, trying to get some air in. Rough. But you know what? It built character.
Built character, there you go.
Not sure where that character went, but it built some character at the time. Pull the mixture back to blue line. And no matter what I do, I'm about 17 gallons an hour. 17 gallons an hour. We're truing out at 172.
Not bad, though.
No, not bad.
Not
It's
bad.
respectable. Just a 5-knot tailwind, so. All right, let's see
161
what it's like over there.
Zulu, weather, wind, 160 at 5, visibility, 10, clear, below, 12,000, temperature, 15 Celsius, dew point, -7, altimeter, 3019er.
Welcome to Sedona Airport. Standard left-hand traffic only. Runway 03, common landing. 21 preferred takeoff pilot's discretion. Tappis on 21 and usable beyond 2 nautical miles. Notice to airmen construction work in progress between taxiway Alpha 6 and Alpha 7 adjacent to taxiway Bravo north side. Taxiway Bravo closed.
All right. So the winds are out of the south, about 5 knots, so relatively calm. But can you hand me the checklist down there? We'll go ahead and run our landing data just to be sure, so we're all legal in there. It's, obviously what you should be doing on every flight. But because we have a landing that's got a 5-knot tailwind, I just want to check that out. All right, cruise landing. We're going to do 100% flaps. Note all the notes up in here when you're running your data. So it talks about a tailwind at 10% for each 2 knots of tailwind, up to 10 knots. So we're going to add 4 knots or 20% because we're going to have 5 knots-ish. So if you really want to get nitty-gritty, we can split the atom, but we're not going to do that because I went to a state school and rounded up. So what's the altitude up there? It's, call it 5,000 feet. And I forget what the temperature, do you remember?
Welcome to Sedona Airport. Standard
We're going to have to listen to the whole
We have to listen for a while.
This is what happens when you don't write it down. The manifold, We'll pull it back to about 25. And brake pressure is checked. Next one is before landing, seats, belts, harnesses are locked. Fuel pump is on boost. Mixture, we'll go full rip. My technique on this is once I enter the pattern and I start getting the flaps down, I'll go full rich on the mixture. And then autopilot as required. So if you guys have never taken an airplane to Sedona, it is something you should do. It's kind of one of those bucket spots that you want to go to. It's awesome. The restaurant on the field is really good too. If you want to go downtown and stay, I recommend Le Berge down there. It's a very...
You always know all the good food spots.
Oh yeah, I'm a foodie.
You
I work out so much, man.
Yeah.
I gotta make sure I burn off the calories. All right, about to overfly midfield, going down to 6,000 feet. Sedona traffic, Cirrus 51 Foxtrot Mike. We are overflying the field 6,000 for left downwind entry in runway 3, Sedona.
Sedona traffic, Bonanza for Romeo Bravo, turning base for runway 3, full
traffic,
stop,
no bearing, altitude not available, less than 1 mile.
Setting up left downwind for runway 3, Sedona.
Traffic, 2 o'clock.
Wing up, we got the Bonanza still in sight. Hey Ernie, how about slowing down?
Sedona traffic.
I like flying fast.
Yeah, you do.
7.3 or the Cirrus.
One speed fast.
One speed. That's all I know.
Sedona traffic, 6 Romeo here is clear the active Sedona.
Left traffic, runway 3, Sedona.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, 1 mile.
That dude's taking off. This dude's on final. Oh, this is what's dangerous about this on schedule.
He goes, we'll be quick.
Entering left downwind for runway 3. Looks like I'm number 4 to land, Sedona.
Sedona traffic, Cirrus 51 Foxtrot Mike, turn left base, runway 3, Sedona.
Sedona traffic, 4 Romeo Bravo is short final, runway 3, full stop, Sedona.
Sedona traffic, waiting for number 2 to cross off our wing to turn left base, number 3, 643 Lima Victor, Sedona traffic.
Sedona traffic, Cirrus 51 Foxtrot Mike, turn final, runway 3, Sedona.
500.
Little low on the Vazzies. We'll hold on. Oh, that guy took off. That guy took off on runway 3. Ooh. All right. Hey, I'm not hating.
Not hating.
All right. Autopilot's off. Mixture's full rich. Flaps are full. We're clear to land.
Sedona traffic, 643 Lima Victor is turning left base, runway 03, Sedona traffic.
It's gorgeous.
Sedona traffic,
Beautiful.
Cirrus 11 Mike Romeo on downwind, number 3, Sedona. Sedona traffic, Bonanza 7 Mike, Cirrus 5 miles south, we're going to overfly midfield and left traffic, runway 3, Sedona.
I think getting here a little bit behind, we're going to have a hard time finding a parking spot. They got valet over here?
Yeah, exactly.
Good thing we brought the tow bar.
Turning left crossing at runway 3, downwind departure to south.
All right, looking towards the end of the runway. Got the runway made. Thought I was going to idle. Just holding it off.
Sedona traffic, 643 Lima Victor, turning final, runway 03, Sedona traffic.
Oh.
Sedona traffic, Cirrus 11 Mike Romeo has that traffic turning final. I'm turning base, Sedona.
All right, Ernie, you can put it down now.
Sedona traffic, Cirrus 312 Hotel is 11 miles to the south, descending 8.5 for 6,000, Sedona.
Lefts are up. Lean it because it is high altitude out here. I don't like taking forever on the runway because I don't like making people go around because I have had to do that.
Sedona traffic,
all right, guys, we are here. We're going to go through this class that Bolt Methods is putting on, so we're super excited about that. There is a ton of Cirrus out here, which is really cool. So we're going to go to the class. We'll tell you what it's like, and hope you guys enjoyed the flight in. It's going to be Luke's turn to fly out.
Scary business.
Just look for that on Instagram, too, because we're going to put it on Instagram. All right, guys, take care.
Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.